Previously on To Get Lost. We checked into the Greek port of Argostoli, spent time in a creepy abandoned marina, and said goodbye to our MDR friends.
You sexy thing. Oh, I believe in miracles, baby. Since you came along, you sexy thing, you sexy thing, you.
It's hard to believe, but we do have a friend, and she came to visit. So we took the ferry and the bus to the airport to pick her up, and had a relaxing night in Luxori before setting sail.
There are places that I no longer dwell. There are places I've lived in that seem like hell. There are things that seem so new to me, and I'm not gonna try them. There's a buckle that seems to bend and break. It's surrounded by things I used to hate.
What do you think, Rach?
Can I come with you?
Yeah, but only if you bring Jessica.
I'm not choosing loss. That it help us understand what life is.
Rachel's just arrived and we found this most beautiful spot on this secluded beach. There's no one around. We've got this most amazing view. We're having a real deep and meaningful chat.
It's lovely.
And then what happened, Rachel?
This man came up, got undressed, came back, said, "Do you like down there?" And he just said, "No."
And then he asked to come and sit with us. We were like, no. So,
No,
welcome to Greece, Rachel.
Here in the orange room. Here on the wood slatted underfoot.
We planned a short 3-hour sail to Spartia in case being pregnant on a boat wasn't for Rach. The winds were light, but we managed to sail most of the way.
Come over here. And here in the orange and the blue colored boxes, shapes fall away, become double-decker, yellow, green and grey. Tetrahedron, break, tethered meter between, and you break on your pillows, break down.
Adam's doing his favourite job. He just has to climb up the... Be very careful, please.
This boat has plenty of good foothold. It's like the steering wheel.
Please don't break the steering wheel.
Wish it was easy every day. I'd like that better. Wish you'd forgotten what to say. That's not your kind. So I pick apart my time, never asking why. I'm always in so many pieces, and it's my fault. Get along, little doggy, get along with me. Ooh, it's time you face the fact that you can't remember the in-between. So I pick apart my time, never asking why. I'm always in a million pieces, and I don't want to admit.
After a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters, we took the dinghy to shore to seek ice-cold drinks in a restaurant with a view. Adam got all the way to shore before realising he wasn't wearing any shoes. Adam had finally had enough of us.
He's leaving us.
Didn't like Rachel's jokes. Bye. How are you feeling after your first sail, Rach? Good. Chilled out.
Hot. Very hot.
Rach is just cooking us pesto pasta.
Oh no, I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking.
Uh-oh. Rach is cleaning the boat for us. We have a very messy boat right now. Oopsie. Adam, what are you doing?
Secret eating.
Definitely not eating Galaxy chocolate.
How many pieces are you trying to eat at once?
4.
Right.
I'm pregnant.
Allowed.
Fruit baby.
The baby doesn't like chocolate, Adam.
No more for me.
My life's a bore, take away the moments. My life's a bore, everything I thought I'd never have, I've seen. My life's a bore, take away the moments. My life's a bore, everything that I have, you have never seen. And I'm not.
Adam wasn't sure about our choice of film, so he decided to start fixing things in the dark. I don't know if you can see, but the moon is orange. You just got up to check if the anchor was dragging. And it's so orange. So orange. Why are you orange, little moon?
What do you think of Kephalonia?
It's lovely. I've had a fantastic time. It's been beautiful.
Can you do a review of Kephalonia?
It's a very lovely country, very lovely people, and a very lovely boat.
Excellent.
This is baby's first trip on a boat.
Baby on board.
Spartia bump rate. There's a little girl in there.
We think.
We hope.
Be a
Don't
boy.
care,
It's supposed to be a girl.
Yeah.
Who knows?
And for future years, when Jessica's old enough to watch this, your mum is on a boat in Kephalonia.
So cool.
It's pretty
But
cool.
one day, Jessica, you can come and visit too.
That's a wrap, people.
That's a wrap.
I fancy a wrap.
The days flew by and it was time for Rach to leave us all on our own again. Hopefully she'll be back to visit soon with a baby girl in tow.
I believe in miracles.
Thanks for watching. To support us, like and subscribe below.
you sexy thing. Ooh, I'll be